Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete invitation send message on Instagram account. If you have sent invitation send message on Instagram account and now you want to delete the invitation send message on Instagram, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can delete the invitation send message on Instagram account. So first of all, here you'll have to close this tab here, go back. If you want to delete the invitation sent, here you can see that I have sent the invitation send message to this user. So here you can see that I have sent this and invitation send has done from my side and it will accepted the user, then I will be able to chat with this user. So if I want to delete the invitation send message, then here you will have to go back. Then after that, here you will have to tap on here dots, and after that you will see this type of interface. Here you will see that here is the option of block. You will have to tap on block. So after that, here you will have to tap on again block. Then here you can see that this has been blocked. From here, then you will have to go back, then again here go back, then here you will have to open the messages from here. So here you will have to open messages and here open this. Then here you will see that here is the option of delete. You will have to tap on delete here, then again tap on delete. Then after that, now the invite send message has been deleted from your side and from the other side. So in this way you can delete the invite send message on Instagram if you have sent it. After that, this is the process through which you can delete invite send message or invitation send message on Instagram account. So in this way you can do that and you can delete the invitation send message on Instagram account very easily. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.